question is from an engineer by profession, and he would like to know whether it's permissible or he says, can I marry in Ramadan?
As far as marrying in the month of Ramadan is concerned, there is no text in the Quran or any Sahih Hadith which I know where it is forbidden to marry in the month of Ramadan. A person can marry in any month of the year. But since in Ramadan, he has to abstain, besides abstaining from food and drink, he has to abstain from sexual intercourse. So it depends upon him that when he marries in the month of Ramadan, the lady he marries is a new wife. So will he be able to suppress his feeling during the daytime from the beginning of dawn to sunset? That will he be able to abstain? That is the test. If he can abstain from any sexual intercourse, then he can marry. But since a person marries in the month of Ramadan, it's a new wife, he has to spend time. So therefore, if he has doubts, it's advisable that he delays his marriage after the month of Ramadan, and he spends time in the zikr and remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But per se, marrying in the month of Ramadan is not haram.